Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have to literally record this. I don't know what's going on with my computer, but like it basically just the screensavers thing stopped working. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys are doing great. I'm gonna give a quick video because I literally just made like a 10-minute video and I have to redo this. Like it's so annoying. Anyways, so I just want to go over today, right? I told you guys to look out for any potential shorts, right? Which would have been off the beautiful right shoulder right here, off of 5-day and 20-day, and then gave us this big 100-point move down, right? So easy 5-figure day right there, right? All you just had to do was pay attention to that, understand the market context, and I told you guys to even go to that we have to be careful of these tapering teals, right? Which could obviously be this just a sign of strong resistance, right? So in my previous video, I did mention that, right? So if you just notice the teal, right, and how we just rejected perfectly in the morning, right? So that's all we needed to see, right? And then the last confirmation was this right shoulder at this level off of orange, right? And then right shoulder is off of 20-day and the 5-day, right? And then bring us all the way down, right? So let me show you that intraday, guys. Basically the right shoulder that you see in the 30-minute, right? In the 1 minute, essentially, right? So I just wanted to take the trade. I did wait for the break below the 5-day, right? And then the retest of 5-day, right? Which is what I was looking for then to take that trade. And then also 20-day was here, so I just thought, okay, let me just take it at the best possible spot where the and plus I normally don't like taking a trade within the moving averages. I mean, for maybe scalping is good, but yeah, I prefer to take it at the break of both, or above or below both, right? So um, I waited till the break of 20-day, and then I got this beautiful structure right here. And then I took the trade starting at 12:10 p.m. And then you also had to just notice this red selling algo, right? Although we didn't have strong selling activate, right? Um, we and that didn't break us below that red, but that's fine. We would just maintain the position within the red, right? And just trade, uh, take profits, right? Every bottom, and especially at 50-day, right? That's where the strong support is. And to see us going down from here, we would have needed to see strong break and into a stronger selling channel, right? Which we didn't see, right? So 50-day would be an obvious good point to take most of your profits there, and maybe hold a couple, maybe like 5% of your position, right, open, and see what if there's any continuation down. But we just kept finding support, and then um, closing near the 20-day moving average, right, near end of the day, with the bounce from the 50-day, right? So yeah, that's pretty easy, pretty simple, especially because it's easier because we're guided down by the moving averages. So that's literally something that's perfect, and it just makes it so easy, right? And I just want to go over what to look for moving forward, right? So of course, what happened, right? If you looked at market context, right, we closed this beautiful inverse cup right here, right? Uh, and now at the end, we just are forming this handle now, right, guys? So left shoulder head, right shoulder, and to see us going down, we just gonna form basically a mini in mini inverse cup, right? And then head down, and then target um, this level right here, 676, right? And close this bigger inverse cup right here, right? So that's something to pay attention for, and that's ultimately how we're going to take the trade. But you have multiple opportunities, right? So you have one opportunity right here, right? And then even just shorting it, oh god, even just shorting it, even when we do close this inverse cup right here, right? um, so you can also take it from here, right? Left shoulder head, right shoulder, and then this is second opportunity. So you're not missing any of the shorts, right? So you have it just let the market set itself up for you. You're basically becoming the hunter, right? So that's something to be pay attention to. That's very important. And yeah, so all you have to do is just be patient for that. And again, if we're headed up from here, there's very key things that you have to look out for, and you cannot go early in going long here, because you need to wait for at least left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder off of purple right here. Grab that liquidity from here, and 5 days probably going to be here as well, 5 and 20 day. So you just basically forming that right shoulder off there, and then targeting back up these levels, right? And going up from here, right? So that's a possible scenario. It just depends if we do reject tomorrow beautifully right here. We might dig a little deeper up, left shoulder, head right here. So it can be an obvious trap where right here, let me show you. So left shoulder, head, that forms right here, and then right shoulder right here. So there can be a trap right here. So to go long here, you need to wait essentially for that 5 day, and then the right shoulder off of 5 day. That would be a much safer trade, and you don't get trapped here, and then yeah, and then stopped out, right? So yeah, so there's the things to pay attention for, and just be patient and let the market reveal itself to you. And even if you want to wait to go long, you could even wait till this level, right? So there's many opportunities, even if this is much better setup, right? Because there's already momentum, right? There's already so you're really just setting yourself up there. But if you want to catch the whole move, right, possible entry is right here, right? But you need to wait for the 5 day, 20 day all to make sense, and then you should enter the trade, right? And watch out for the teal. I'm gonna draw that. All right, watch out for the orange. I'm just gonna. Right. So, what's essentially could happen, right? Left shoulder, right? Left shoulder, head, right, and then right shoulder right here. So same thing that you saw here, right? Then we close a mini inverse cup right here with the yellow. Right. Right. So key levels, right? But to short this, you want to wait till at least right shoulder here, or if we dig deeper, right shoulder right here, and then right shoulder off of yellow, and then right shoulder off teal, and then we can go down to 676 level right here, right? So that's the key levels to pay attention for. But we have a long way to 676, right? Yeah, 679, 676 level, right? So we would essentially just close this right here, right? 679 is a good support area as well, so take profits over there as well. So yeah, just look at that, be careful, and understand the algorithms and structure, and then yeah, just follow the structure and let the algos guide you. That's essentially my philosophy right now. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. This week has been pretty good. I probably will take Thursday morning off because I have to go somewhere, but I might trade in the afternoon. Who knows if I have the time. But anyways, guys, see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, have a good night.